Today, I'm going to show you how to donate your hair to the Little Princess Trust. But before you're cut, please head to the Donate Hair page of the Little Princess Trust website to see the full hair donation guidelines. First things first, in order to donate your hair, it must be in excellent condition, clean and dry, and preferably longer than 12 inches. Dyed hair is fine, as long as the dye is permanent, a natural colour, and the hair is in fantastic condition. Okay, step 1. Wash and then be sure to dry your hair, as the Trust cannot accept wet hair. Do not use any leave-in conditioner or styling products. Step 2. Put your dry hair into a ponytail or 4 ponytails, depending on how thick it is, to ensure the best possible hair donation. Secure the ponytail at both ends with a hairband and one halfway down the hair. Step 3. Ask your hairdresser to cut above the top band. Now you have the perfect hair donation. Step 4. Put your hair donation into a cardboard or heavyweight paper envelope. Don't forget to include your completed hair donation slip so we can email you your well-deserved certificate. Step 5. Head to the post office and get your parcel weighed so you can put the right amount of stamps on it for us. Your hair donation is now ready to be posted to the Little Princess Trust. The Little Princess Trust uses your hair to make beautiful, real hair wigs for children and young people who have lost their own hair as a result of cancer treatment or other conditions. The Trust uses your fundraising money to help cover the costs of these wigs, which can cost around £550 each. They also use your money to fund vital research into finding kinder treatments for children with cancer. So do something amazing. Support the Little Princess Trust today. We'd love to see your cut donation on social media. Don't forget to tag in @official Little Princess Trust. And of course, your hairdresser.